Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to learn about shelter. Okay, today we are going to learn about shelter. Our new lesson name is shelter. Children, I will repeat once again. Our new lesson name is shelter. Shall we start now? Okay dears. What is mean by shelter? What is mean by shelter, dears? Very good. Home. Isn't it, dear? So all living things need a shelter to protect themselves from cold, heat and rain. We live as a family in our home. Yes, we live as a family in our homes. The family members live together in the comfort of their home. The house should be kept clean. There should be plenty of lights and air in the house. So it should be well furnished with the necessary things like bed, cupboards, table, chair, okay, and so forth. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about house and its types and different kinds of houses also. Shall we see now? Okay children, before entering into our lesson, we will do one interesting activity. Now quickly take your EVS Studio page number 65, activity number 5.1. Shall we do this activity? Yeah. Children, how well do you know your house? Answer the question below. Okay. How well do you know your house? Answer the question below. Imagine your home, dears. Okay, just imagine your home. I am going to ask a question about your home. Okay, I am going to ask you a question about your home. You think and write the answer in the blanks. Okay, you think and write the answer in the blanks. Shall we start now? Okay. You think and write about your home, dear. Okay. First question, I will read one by one. First question, how many rooms do you have in your house? Okay. How many rooms do you have in your house? Think and write. Then second one, what colors are the walls in your house? What colors are the walls in your house? Red color or blue color, green color, what colors are walls in your house? Write that color. Third one, do you have a compound around your house? Do you have a compound around your house? If yes mean, you write the yes answer. If no mean, you write the no answer. Okay children, shall we move to the last one, fourth one. Which floor is your house on? The ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. So which floor is your house on? Write your answer. Okay children, very good. So I hope everyone done this activity. Clap yourself, clap yourself. So all houses may not be the same. Our houses could be different from each other. So let us look at how and why the houses are built different from another. Okay? Okay children. So we all love to hear story, no dears? Yes or no? We all love to hear story, no? So this story name is Rakesh and his grandfather. Okay, the story name is Rakesh and his grandfather. It is a very interesting story. Listen very carefully. Shall we start now? Okay. See the picture here. Let us look at the Rakesh and his grandfather have decided to do on a Sunday. So grandfather said to the Rakesh, shall we take a walk and make a visit to the library? I need to borrow a few books. Okay, I need to borrow a few books. So the Rakesh said to the grandfather, this is a very good idea, Nana. Even I need to refer books on different houses around the world for my school project. Would you know about them? Yeah, this is a very interesting, Rakesh. Come, let us discuss. Okay, so first of all, the houses, we have the two kind of houses. Okay, the grandfather said to the Rakesh, houses, we have the two kind of houses, Rakesh. The one is a permanent house and another one is a temporary house. The one is a permanent house, then another one is a temporary house. What is meant by permanent house? Permanent houses is nothing but, children, permanent houses, the built of bricks and cement, can protect us better than houses built of straw. Okay, so this will be the very strong, and being built using the strong things like a brick, cement and metal rod. Okay, the permanent house that can be made with the stone and wood also. Okay, the permanent house can be made with the stone and woods also. So the permanent houses are villa. Okay, see the picture. What are the permanent houses? The first, see the picture, what it is? Can you guess what it is? Yeah, very good. This house is called the villa house. Okay, villa is also called the permanent house. Okay, villa is also called the permanent house. Then see the second picture. This is the apartment. Okay, the apartment. apartment, apartment. Okay, apartment is also called the permanent houses. Then third picture is the farmhouse. Okay, the farmhouse is also called the permanent house. Then next one, bungalow. Bungalow is also called the permanent house. Okay, children, so these houses are called the permanent houses. I repeat once again, dear, the permanent houses are the built with the brick, cement and metal rod. They can be made with the stone and wood too. Okay, so these houses are like the permanent houses. Okay, then again Rakesh asked to the grandfather, okay Nana, what is meant by temporary houses? Now I am going to explain. Okay, the temporary houses is also called the house, but temporary house is not like the permanent houses, dears. So the temporary house is also called the house. If you observe, and you may notice that there are not many houses made of mud, straw and plastic sheet. This is because mud and straw may not be make strong houses. Okay, so they will be protect us from the strong wind and rain. These houses are also mostly weak, that is why they are called the temporary houses. Okay, so the temporary house is also called the house. If you observe, you may notice that there are not many houses made by the mud, straw, plastic sheet. This is the mud and straw may not be make strong houses, dear. So we compare to the permanent houses, temporary houses is a very weak and they will not protect us from the strong wind or rain. Then their houses are called the temporary house. Okay, so which houses are called the temporary house? See the picture, dear, caravan. Okay, see the picture, this is called the caravan. Caravan is also called the temporary houses, C-A-R-A-V-A and caravan. Okay, the next one, hut. Okay, hut is also called the temporary houses. Third picture is the tent. Tent is also called the temporary houses, T-E-N-T, tent. The next one, tree house. Tree house is also called the temporary houses. Next one is the boat house. Boat house is also called the temporary houses. Okay, children, so these houses are called the temporary houses. I hope everyone understood about the what is mean by permanent houses, what is mean by temporary houses. We compare to the permanent house is a very strong, but temporary house is not like that. Okay, so shall we move to the next one, dear? Yeah. Okay, children, take page number 67 in your EVS studio on activity number 5.2. Okay, 5.2. Shall we do this activity? Yeah. Okay, children, read the word in the box. Read the words in the box, identify and circle them in the picture. Identify and circle them in the picture. Children, they have given the 4 clues. Okay, they have given the 4 clues. You read one by one and you circle the correct word. Okay, you circle it. See, what is the first one? Children, first one, see the first one. What is this? Bricks. Okay. So you read one by one. You circle it. What is the first one? Bricks. Where is the bricks here? Can you find where is the bricks here? Yeah, very good. Okay, this is the bricks. So bricks here. Okay, see the next one. Cement. Okay, cement. Where is the cement here? See this. Very good. Yeah, very good. This is a cement. Next one, log. Where is the logs here? Yeah, very good. This is called the logs. The last one, iron. Where is the iron here? This is also iron. This is also iron. Okay. So, okay, children. I hope everyone did correctly. I hope everyone did correctly. So, what kind of house do you think they are building? Can you guess? What kind of house do you think they are building? Whether it is a permanent house or temporary house? Whether it is a permanent house or a temporary house? Very good. This house is called the permanent house. Okay, permanent house only. They are using a bricks. They are using a cement. Okay, permanent house only. They will be strong house. Then they can made by the brick, cement and metal rods. Okay, metal rods. So it will be very strong house. So this will be very strong house being built using a strong thing like brick, cement and metal rod. Okay, and permanent house can be made with the stone and wood also. So definitely the answer is the permanent house. Okay, children. Okay, very good. I hope everyone done this activity. Shall we move to the next one? Okay. Take page number 68, dears. Take page number 68, activity number 5.3. Activity number 5.3, take page number 68. Very good. Okay, shall we do this activity? Yeah. Okay, children, see the Roman. Help Rakesh identify what kind of house this is. Look at the picture to list the things that could have been used to build this house. Children, see the first one. Things used to build a house. Things, what kind of things they are using to build this house? Can you guess? Yeah, very good. Mud, okay, mud, straw and plastic sheet. Okay, mud, straw and plastic sheet. See the picture, what kind of things they are using for this to build the house? Mud, straw and plastic sheet. Okay, children, what kind of house? Can you guess what kind of house? Whether it is a permanent house or temporary house? Very good. Definitely this is the temporary house. Yes, children. So the Rakesh asked to the grandfather, Nana, why do workers build the temporary house for themselves, Nana? Then grandfather explained to the Rakesh, workers are mostly people who travel to the different places owing to the work. Yes, children. So workers are mostly people travel to the different places owing to the work. So the people who have to move from the one places to another places to build the temporary houses. So they will not live for the too long. Okay, they will not live for the too long. The cost of building the temporary house is lesser than the building the permanent house. Okay, the cost of building a temporary house is lesser than the building the permanent house. So they are using a mud, straw and plastic sheet. They are used to build the temporary houses. Okay, they are used to build the temporary houses. Now shall we move to the next one, dears? Yeah. Okay, take page number 69, activity number 5.4. Activity number 5.4. See, pick out things from the box given. Okay, pick out things from the box given. Write them in the appropriate figure to make a permanent house and the temporary house. Okay, to make a permanent house and the temporary house. See, they are given a many choices. Okay, they have given a many choices. You choose and write. Okay, children, you choose and write whether it is the permanent houses or the temporary houses. So, see all the words. Cement, first one I will read one by one. So, you think and write. For example, cement. Cement we are using for the permanent house or temporary house. You think and write. Okay, children? Okay, see the first one, cement. Cement. Second one, straw. Straw. Third one, mud. Mud. You just think and write. Okay, you just think and write. The next one, bricks. Bricks. Next one, metal rod. Metal rod. Metal rod we are using for the permanent house or temporary house. Bamboo. Bamboo. Okay. I repeat once again here. You just think and write. Okay. The first one, cement. Second one, straw. Third one, mud. Fourth one, bricks. The next one, metal rods. Next one, bamboo. The next one, plastic sheets. The next, clay. And last one, leaves. Okay, shall we check the answer now? Shall we check the answer now? Now is the time for checking your knowledge or knowledge. Shall we check the answer now? Your answer is correct or wrong? Okay? Okay, very good. So, permanent houses are cement, bricks and metal rod. Okay? Cement, metals and cement, bricks and metal rod we used for the permanent house. We will use for the permanent house. Okay, children, cement, bricks and metal rod we used to made by the permanent house. Okay, so next one, temporary house. Okay, very good. See the straw, mud, leaf, bamboo and plastic sheet and clay. These things we will use for the temporary house. Okay, these things we will use for the temporary house. Okay, okay children, I hope everyone done this activity. Clap yourself, clap yourself. Super. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Say children, last one, which kind of house would you like to live in? Why? Which kind of house would you like to live in? Why? One has been done for you. Okay. My answer, I would like to live in permanent house because what kind of nature it protects us from heat, cold and winter and also exist for long time. Okay, I would like to live in a permanent house because what kind of nature it protects us from heat, cold and winter and also exist for long time. So, one has been done for you children. This is my answer here. Which kind of house would you like to live? Okay, which kind of house would you like to live? Write your wishes, write your answer in the given blanks, dears. Okay, in the given blanks. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Last activity. See, 5.5 activity. Take page number 70. Okay, take page number 70. What kind of house would you build if you were to live in the windy place? List the things that you would use to build this house. Okay, so children, my one has been done for you. I would like to build permanent house, cement. I would like to build permanent house, cement, bricks and metal rod things required for the permanent house. Okay, cement, bricks and metal rod things required for the permanent house. This is my answer. So, like the same thing here, which kind of house would you like to live? Write your wishes, your idea in the given blocks provided. Okay, so don't copy it children. Write your answer, your wish. Okay, which kind of house would you like to live? Write your ideas, your wishes in the given blanks. Okay dears. Okay, super. I hope everyone understood about these houses and this type. What is mean by permanent houses and temporary houses? Okay children, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy food, drink plenty of water, wash your hands with hand sanitizer dears. Okay, thank you so much.